Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Thank you for being a regular. And if this is your first time, welcome in advance to the family. Please just hit that subscribe button. So, today I am at the Fourways Farmers Market. As we know, it was moved from Fourways to Morenfontein. And I thought, let me try it out with my friends, and I had fun. So I recorded this video for you so you can feel the vibe without actually being there, so you know whether it's your thing or not. Now, let's go.
Chicken or beef, we even mix, we don't discriminate. Yes, I mean, chicken or beef, we even mix it.
think you've gathered that it can be vibey if you want it to be. It can also be just relaxing and beautiful if you want it to be. There's also a lake for you to just view and indulge.
Join the music. I will enter YouTube to go and see MJ channel. You see and subscribe, you like and comment. They watch the music.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's connect on Instagram. Until the next video. Mwah.